the great Halloween display of 2018. We'll start by looking at Mickey and friends. They're digging up some good treasure. Mater's back there, wondering if he got lost somehow. We saw Captain Hook a little bit ago, tracing his pirate ship. This is called Shark Tooth Bay, because those rocks kind of look like shark teeth. They do to me. And then we have the pirates attacking, the bad pirates attacking the good pirates. Different characters from the movies. And a good defensive position here. We've got Jack back there with the full moon. And then, we have something new. There was a pirate, but it's not anymore.
Now, let's see whose glowing phosphorus face Redbeard really is. Mr. Magnus?
And I thought like the butler always did it.
I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you meddling kids.
Yeah.
Well, gang, I guess that wraps up the mystery. Good work, Scooby.
And now here we get into the dog park. There's a couple pirates that tried to look for some more treasure this way, but they fell. This one fell into a vat of boiling pumpkin juice. And there's a couple of guys who are trying to put some pumpkins down in a mine. They kept digging to the point where they woke up this dragon. But that's okay. Like I said, they're in dog park, so we can play with all the other mean doggies here and not so mean doggies. We got our station platform here, people waiting for the train. And then we have, there's the pumpkin patch. There is a shopper here who she's pointing out the pumpkin she wants, but they're not ready to sell it yet. Now we're getting to the Pumpkinville area. There's a funny person back there. And as we go pan through, we see the Great Pumpkin Mountain with a great pumpkin tunnel through it. And then there's Lucy and Linus waiting for the Great Pumpkin and Snoopy flying by. Is that the Great Pumpkin? No, that's a Mickey pumpkin. More on the train later. There's a ghost who's trying to catch the train. And then we get some Disney evilness. Oh, that's an interesting blue box. I wonder why that's here. And then we have trick-or-treaters. Well, there's another villain if you've seen the movie Coco. Here's the gardener yelling at the tree for the leaves to come down because he can't wait to rake them. There's the trick-or-treaters, more going into the porch to get some good trick-or-treats. There's Grandpa waiting by the limousine. Oh, and then we have the gang, Mickey and the gang going on their hayride. And then we get into the happier times of Disney with some people that are coming familiar from the ride. And then, oh, that's an interesting guy. I named him R2-Boo-Too, if you know what I mean. And here's the train station. Everybody's waiting for the train. It's right here, taking on some passengers. Jack in the train, the standard pirate train, burns wood. Train is so scary, even the wood's petrified. And here's the waiting room. These are for the long-term passengers. And then there's the Peanuts car. And then we'll get the trains going. We'll pan back as this train goes by. We have the normal pirate car, and then there's the party car with everybody in a good time, and the minions at the end. And we have the new train for the year. Peanuts train from Lionel. Woo! We'll be able to make it a little more scary. That's a little more scary. So I wish everybody seeing this a happy Halloween.